What's going on, guys? Caesar here, and we are doing the first clipper challenge. These are the questions we are going to be answering today. Are the latest machines better than the originals? Does expensive equipment make you a better barber? Has clipper technology improved that much? If you guys have seen my unboxing when I was a student, you guys would have seen I got some wall icons. And yes, this is the first clipper I used. This is what the first clipper I held, everything. I didn't even know what the heck this was. This lever right here. So it's gonna be pretty interesting using it again, and it's gonna be fun. It's been such a long time since I used these clippers, so it's time to bring them back from the graveyard and time to put them to work.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más.
I do feel the power with corded. It is amazing. But when you're choosing cordless and corded, you're pretty much choosing comfort over power and vice versa. So a lot of the times when you use cordless, it's amazing because it's super convenient, super lightweight. You ain't gotta mess with no cords. The cords are not in the way, because I know the cords can be pretty damn annoying. So that's one of the first things I've noticed when I was using this clipper, these wall icons right here. The power, I felt the power. It's really nice. Less strokes to do those nice guidelines. Clipper over comb, amazing. A lot less work, but I also felt a lot more, I felt like a lot more pressure on my hands when it comes to weight of the clipper. The clipper heating up, it is a lot more powerful than all these other cordless clippers. So I felt it heating up a lot. And I also felt it was a little bit too bulky. A little bit too bulky compared to like your other clippers like Magic Clips and all that good stuff. So to answer that question, are the latest machines better than the originals? I'd say yes to a certain extent. And I feel like it's literally just comfort-wise. And I believe in barbering, if you're willing to stay long-term in this industry, I think comfort is the best. You less wear and tear on your hands, your arms, your shoulders. So comfort is the way to go, in my opinion. I've seen a lot of barbers bust out better haircuts than some of us who have more professional equipment. So to narrow it down, it doesn't matter what you're using at all. Cordless, corded, babyless, gamma, wall, and this, any of that. You can use some non-brand thing and still cut just like any other barber. What matters is that you put, you take care of your client, you're giving it your all, pretty much the skills in your hands. Repetition. If you got all that, then you're gonna be a great barber no matter what tools you use. So when it comes down to clipper technology, I feel like it's it has improved a lot, but just not. I feel like a lot of people focus more on the looks of stuff. I think that's what we're kind of trending towards when it comes to all these flashy clippers. A lot of people just buy a lot of the clippers just because it's gold, chrome. Oh, it's a cool colorway. Yes, it's cool, but I feel like the industry kind of been it's kind of been shying away from performance, actual performance. Because if you look at Wall, big companies like Wall and Andis, they haven't really been changing much. But that's because their clippers have been pretty much amazing for years, centuries, 100 years, 1919. So a lot of the times, yes, I feel like Wall and Andis should kind of not only just offer a little bit more different stuff, something different, I mean, it goes back to the scene, if it's not broken, why fix it? But at the same time, a lot of people are just watching Babyless and Gamma take over with all the stuff that's coming out, innovation, cordless stuff, all these cool cordless stuff. So I feel like, in my opinion, I feel like it's been innovated. The innovation is great. Babyless and Gamma over there having a shootout is pretty cool to watch. And I don't know, I feel like it's kind of almost similar stuff in a way. I feel like things need to change more towards performance wise. not just looks wise. So I think things have changed for more comfort than more than anything, because performance wise I feel like corded clippers is just going to be, it's always going to be on top no matter what cordless clipper comes out, just simply for the fact of power. That's why you guys see a lot of people, like, you know, a lot of people watch the Elegance dudes sponsored by Elegance. They all use corded clippers and that's all they use. When it comes down to it, when you go to chop shops or anything like that, if you want a clipper that runs all day without having to worry about it either breaking down or slowing you down, you'll see them use corded clippers. So at the end of the day, I feel like nothing can replace the corded clippers. Yes, it's convenient when you do, you know, your house calls and all that good stuff with cordless clipper, but at the end of the day, corded clippers, your OG clippers like corded seniors, corded magic clips, corded T outliners, corded GTX, they're always going to be in the talks. And that's simply for the fact that people know it's going to work, it's going to last you forever, and you get your money's worth. You know, Andis and Wall is quiet. You always got to worry about the quiet ones because they're just sitting back watching everything going on. And to me, I feel like they'll just be like, okay, taking this, taking that from them, and okay, this didn't work. Okay, cool. How can we make it better? Since all these other stuff have come out already so rapidly, a lot of defective stuff, they're like, okay, we can definitely improve on this. I honestly can't wait to see what this industry comes to. I'm excited to be part of it, and I'm excited to literally be a part of this challenge, this first clipper challenge. What I feel about these clippers is I feel like I could do whatever cut. I can do the same thing with this. I did feel a little bit more tired with them because they were a lot heavier. I'm so used to being babied by these cordless clippers. I currently use my Ergos, and they're so much lighter, quiet, just faster to do everything, guys, to be honest. So now thinking about it, after using this, are you gonna keep this in your lineup? And I think it'd be pretty cool. Why not? It's kind of like a breather, using corded again, you know, keep it simple. So let me know what you guys think about this first clipper challenge. What do you guys think about my answers, my opinions over these questions? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. After watching this video, I know more than half of you guys are more into cordless. Do you guys really see yourselves ever buying corded clippers again? And if so, what corded clippers do you use or currently still use? A lot of people think that, you know, Wall and Andis are just chilling since they're not really busting out anything out into the market. So do you guys think they're working on something that, you know, something cordless that still has all that power, lightweight, you know, basic, all the characteristics of the corded clippers, but in a cordless, something way more powerful, where a lot of people that work on chop shops are gonna want to try this clipper because it's the most similar thing to corded. Because, you know, when we used to go to a lot of the chop shops, a lot of them, they do 30 cuts a day, so they need something that's constantly has power, something efficient, consistent. So a lot of them, they don't use cordless at all because they just think it sucks, to be honest. It doesn't keep up with their work. So based off of this video, one of the videos we want to work on now is I'm going to be headed to one of those chop shops. I'm going to let them either use a corded clipper, a cordless clipper like the Ergos or the Barberless ones, and I'm gonna see if what they think about it. I think it's gonna be a great video. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. First clipper challenge. Can't wait to see the rest of the first clipper challengers, and let me know what you guys think about this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.